Hey guys, what's up? It's Roseanne. It's been a long time, I know, but I'm back. Well, guess what? It's not under any good circumstances because I'm going to show you how to change a flush lever. So I got done bath earlier and I just wanted to flush the toilet. I mean, not that there was something in it. And guess what? The lever broke. So I went to Sears, got myself I think it's like less than $10. Let me see. $5.76. And you can easily change your own flush lever. So I'm going to show you how you guys do that.
And it's just really good, man. Try it with some honey. Life-changing experience, man.
Alright, take 4. Here we go. EastCoast fashion. Let's go!
So this is the flush lever. Actually it tells you that it fits most toilet tanks. I'll show what's wrong with it. Don't worry, the water's clean in here. It's not like the water in the toilet. So this is what we're going to replace. See that? It's like a limp lever, flush, whatever you call it. I'm going to get it. So this is what we're replacing. I mean, it's working. Yeah, it's working. But you gotta close that. So let's get started. So if you guys can see, it's what I fix. Oh, you gotta tighten that up. It's too open. There you go. Okay, nice and secure. Filling up. Here's my metal quality lever. And the chain attached to it. Let's see. And voila! Nice job. Okay. There you go. That's how you fix a flush lever in your toilet for less than $10. Well, folks, it's been real, and I hope you learned something new today. How to change your toilet flush lever for less than $10. So pardon me, excuse me, give me some privacy while I just kidding. I'm not gonna do that in public. Alright guys, East Coast Passion, follow us, subscribe, like us, again.